Good evening, friends. Today's date 17th January 2024. Nifty futures chart 3 minute. This is just for reference purpose. You can even look at the rates and take the decision. Once Nifty opened today gap down, and after few minutes we got the data from the system, and system gave us the golden number where the data would turn positive and negative for the day. And here I have drawn a yellow line for you to understand what is the golden number. 21,808 was the golden number. Above this number, if Nifty sustains, we have to buy cheap price call option, and below this number, if Nifty sustains, we have to buy cheap price put option, so that we do not face major or big loss. So morning Nifty opened, and then here we got the data somewhere. So let us say even if we would have bought the put over here at this level, Nifty started going up, and in another candle itself, in another minute itself, we understood that the Nifty is trying to go up. So over here at this particular point, we have to square off our position of put and enter into the call side. We have to flip our position from put to call with a cost to cost or a minor loss in put option. Here we buy the call option, and as we see from 21,811 it jumped up to 21,845. Here the safe traders can book the profit as options can give good returns. Now after some time Nifty again started coming down. If we observe clearly, Nifty was below. Nifty started going below the golden number, which was trying to tell us that the data is still weak and more shorts are coming into the market. From 10 a.m. till 10:24, the price was sustaining below. This was a clear indication that the data is negative and a fall will come. So over here in this particular zone, we have to create put position because data is negative, cheap price. So there is no harm in your losses. Again at 10:30, after going down, again at 10:30, it again gave a chance to create the position in the put size. So total 30 minutes, in this 30 minutes, the Nifty data was negative, it was sustaining below, it was trying to tell us I am going to fall. And from 21,808, one way it fell down to 21,744, then again tried to recover a bit, then again it fell down to 21,640, and finally in the end Nifty fell down to 21,563, approximately 250 points in the Nifty. Now obviously safe traders, they have to take minimum returns and they have to exit the game because they have office work and they do not have time to trail much. Those who have time, they can trail and have greater profits. Thank you very much. This system will work beautifully into the volatile markets. Whenever the markets will become less volatile or it will not move much, then this will not give greater profits. So every day we cannot expect such huge and big returns into the market. Thank you very much.